Welcome, family, and welcome, guys, to another brand new video of the Civil and Architectural Mechanical Academy. So, today we are going to be going over how we can create a concrete fascia on this little bungalow I just designed. So, this is a 3D view, and we're going to go over to the floor plan and see what or how we can do that. So, this is our floor plan, just a simple floor plan. And this is the ground floor, and actually want to create that for a bungalow. So we're going to go to the floor above it where we want our roof to stand, which is our first floor. So what we'll do next is to trace the ground floor, and we're going to use the line tool for that to trace it. So we're going to pick the continuous line as such. So we're going to trace where we want our parapet to pass. So I'm just going to do that real quick. You can do that as well on your design, how you want your parapet to line. You're going to be using the line tool, so it's very crucial. So this is what we are doing. This is what we're doing. Yeah, okay, this is a start point. Good. So that is fine. We can turn off the trace, turn it off. So the next thing we do is to go to the options and the complex profile. We are going to create a new element. So we're going to call it the concrete fascia. I'll just call it concrete fascia too, since I already had one created for this design, but I just want to show you guys. So click OK. Okay, so we're going to delete this element and create our own. So we're going to use the fill tool for this. Yes, we'll take the geometry polygonal method. So we're going to draw this parapet. You can draw any design or shape on your own, the one you love. Just want to show you something for the purpose of illustration. So we're going to create something like this, not too complex, but we'll do some design on it. Okay, so let's do some quick editing. Can leave this, arrange this. Okay, I think that was better. Then we can adjust this edge or create a node here. You can create a node at this point. Then why not create a curve here? This will make more sense. And create another curve here. Good. So I think this is fine. And he has a nominal height of 22, nominal height of 19. Depending on your size, you can rescale it. So the next thing you do is to select the concrete fascia or the parapet, and you can override the surfaces. You choose your material. I'm going to choose the wide mate. You can choose any material you want. And next is to save it. You can either save it under walls or beam, but I would like you to save it under beam. It's going to be more useful. I'll show you why. So you save it under beam. Okay, save. Element has been saved. So we'll close that window. So the next thing we do on this first floor plan is go to the beam tool. Under this is what you're going to be having initially, the generic structural. You go to this eye shaped element. Under custom, you select your element. Ours was a concrete fascia 2. So once it's selected, you hold on spacebar and you click, and you're done. Let's go to the 3D and see. Okay, why is it not showing? Okay, the machine lagged a little bit, but it's fine now. So the concrete fascia is shown. So we select the concrete fascia. We need to send it to where it has to be, to its home story. Yes, exactly where it has to be. So this is how you create a concrete fascia. So we can just place the roof over it. Let's just create a roof real quick. Still, just select the roof element. We can arrange the settings before placing it. So I'm going to take a simple slided roof, an angle of 35, and I want my roof thickness to be 5 centimeters. Then geometry, and as a quick reminder as well, when you're creating a parapet, for the sake of beauty and design, it's always advisable to leave this offset at 0 to turn it off. Because if you're using a parapet, you want the roof to sit inside the parapet or exactly at the edges of the parapet and not to be extending out of the parapet. So you don't want it to be like that. So once this is okay, the basic, let me just change the material, tile roof, click OK. We could still select or hold the space bar and we click continue. We go to the 3D, we just drag it down. Yours might not be require you to drag it down. So we just drag it down to the base level where the parapet is. And this is how it looks like. Beautiful, right? So we can still decide to lift this up just a little bit, just above. Oh, it has said gone behind. So we can just use this, go up by 10. Let me try 25. It's too high. So I'm going to go with 20. Very good. I think I'll go down a little bit. I'll go down to 15. Good. So now it's doing fine. So this is how you create a concrete fascia or a parapet in Archicad. No matter the Archicad you're using, easy and quick. Thank you.